July the 2nd, 2021. Guys, you're looking at the latest information on what is now Hurricane Elsa. It's approximately over the Barbados Islands, right there. Category 1 hurricane, 75 miles an hour, moving west-northwest at 28 miles an hour, 995 millibars of pressure. Pressure's dropping. This is 7:45 a.m. report. It's showing that after it comes across the Windward Islands, that it will slow back down to a 65 mile an hour tropical storm. Then in open water, strengthening back to 70 miles an hour, still a tropical storm, and remaining a tropical storm throughout this path. I just don't see that happening. I think it's going to strengthen after it comes through the Leeward and Windward Islands. Just the storm has enough inertia, and the islands are not that big that we're dealing with now. I don't know how long this weakening will last. Either way, Monday, the path has changed just a little bit. But Monday at 2 a.m. in the morning, which would be Sunday night, this is already affecting South Florida, right to the very west edge of the south tip of Florida. You can see the movement come across here. To this again today at 2 p.m. It's going to be clearing the islands. 2 p.m. in the morning, 70 mile per hour storm moving right up the path that we've been looking at. Will mostly react with Cuba. That's going to be the main land reaction that we're dealing with. And then this thing by Wednesday at 2 a.m. is ashore somewhere, it looks like north of Tampa. Now, remember that if it skirts up the coast this close, or the west coast of Florida, the strongest part of the storm will be ashore. It will keep 1 foot out in the water, in the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, and that is where it gets its strength. Again, we've got our first Atlantic hurricane of the year, Hurricane Elsa. Now, this is showing the spaghetti models. You've got one or two that are bringing it along the east coast, and you've got a few that bringing up the central section of Florida, starting down around Miami and the Keys, pulling back out into the Atlantic, and then affecting the Carolinas. Good number of these models now are into the Gulf of Mexico, and just all but one that are in here, or maybe two, show an impact in Florida. Just so, but we know that's going to change over the next few days, but we watch it. That's what we do here. Now, looking at the wide Atlantic satellite images, Barbados, that's kind of the lead island of the Leeward and Windward Islands, and the storm is sitting right over almost the center of circulation of the tiny island right there that is kind of out front of the main band of islands. But I try to check some of the Barbados webcams, and not much is happening there as far as I don't know if the power's down or they got it down just for safety precautions, but a lot of the webcams are not working right now. As this thing moves a little closer to the Windward Islands, which it's right on the edge now, we may get some webcams from that area. But I just wanted to put up a quick video to let you know we had a hurricane throughout the day today. We'll be updating this each and every day until we find out exactly where it's going to go, and we're going to follow it into the impact point. Watch for updates today, guys. It's a heads up. Be safe.